Are you willing to save 10 years of your 13th month pay to get a lifetime income? Or to have discipline in the next 10 years for your 13th month pay to get a better retirement, a peace of mind, or creating your plan B? Now, gusto mo makuha big for retirement kasi retirement is the biggest expense. So what if we have 10 years of discipline of your 13th month pay for a better retirement? So we will use Ascend, AIA Ascend, to create a retirement fund. We will create that. Alright, so si Ascend, yung pinaka mababa niyang premium is 500,000 face amount. Ang features niyan, times 2 of that, 1 million yung life insurance mo. And then nilagyan natin ang total and permanent disability na 500,000. And then personal accident insurance in case of accidental death na 500,000. So all in all, 10 years to pay, 132,145 right, per year for a 35-year-old male. So kung titignan natin tong table, maghuhulog ka for the next 10 years ng 132,000. So let's say ito yung sweldo mo, so 13-month pay. Pero hindi ka pa tapos magbayad. In the 6th year, makakatanggap ka na every year hanggang age 65 ng 25,000, which is 5% ng face amount. The face amount is 500K, so 5% of that is 25,000. Every year makakatanggap ka niyan for the rest of your life hanggang age 65. Bukod doon, may lump sum amount which is double of your face amount. Yun din yung life insurance mo. Right? Double of that na magiging 1 million. No? 500K times 2, 1 million. At age 65, makukuha mo yun. Alright? Yung guaranteed cash value, yung column A na nakikita nyo dyan. And then the column D, the accumulated dividends, pwede mo ring mag-withdraw yan kung whatever the dividends na ma-accumulate. So let's take a look at this table para mas madaling makita. For Ascend 10 years, alright, na 500,000 yung face amount for a male age 35 and then magre-retire ka ng age 65. So you have 30 years horizon. Maghuhulog ka ng 132,145 for 10 years. That's 1,321,450. Alright? And then may guaranteed cash payout kang marireceive from age 41 to age 65 annually. 25,000 for the next 25 years. So that's 625,000. And then upon retirement at age 65, merong lump sum na makukuha. Right? 1 million pesos yun. 200% ng face amount. So, 500,000 times 2, 1 million yun. If you add both, yung green dyan, 625, the total cash payout, and then the 1 million, it gives you the total guaranteed benefits that you will receive at age 65 in total, 1,625,000. Yung 625,000, unti-unti mo siyang na-receive, and then yung 1 million lump sum. So, pag tinotal mo yun, 1.6, 1.3 lang yung naging cost sa'yo. So, dun pa lang tubo ka na. Not to mention, we have the non-guaranteed dividends na at age 65, the projection is about 602,000. Again, not guaranteed ito, the rates and the amount of dividends. Pero just for the sake of this presentation, that's another 602,000. If you add it to the 1.6 million, that's 2.2 million versus the 1.3 million na total premiums paid. So almost double again yung nangyari sa pera mo. Alright? And then to ask for a quotation, let me know. Send me a message at my Facebook page. I will just need your details. Your full name, your birth date, your mobile number, your occupation, your email address. And siguro your budget na rin. Ito yung 13th month pay ko, DJ. Ano yung magandang plan for this? And then let's create. Alright? Let's set a meeting and then let's create a plan. I will show it to you. And I will also send you a quotation. So what you need to do is just go to my Facebook page. Right? Search DJ Dimaliwat or go to facebook.com/DJ Dimaliwat official. So thank you very much for watching this video. See you again soon.